The whole peanut butter production line mainly contains peanut roasting, cooling, peeling, butter grinding, cooling, filling equipment, and so on. The processing capacity is from 500 kilograms per hour to 3,000 kilograms per hour, which can be customized according to customer needs. The process layout of the whole line is reasonable and the operation is stable. Firstly, the red peanuts are lifted to the hopper of the roaster directly by the elevator. Feeding hopper is set with anti-seize device to make sure the material fed uniformly. Then the peanuts will be evenly spread on the conveyor belt and transported to the interior for roasting. The equipment has roasting and cooling functions. The roasting part adopts a hot air circulation system, precise temperature control, and even baking. Add 3 viewing mirrors on the side, and are equipped with charging lights. The roasting state of peanuts can be clearly observed, which is convenient for equipment parameter debugging. The roasted and cooled peanuts come out from the outlet. The roasted peanuts have uniform color and uniform maturity, so that the color and fluidity of peanut butter are the best. Then, the peanuts are lifted to the hopper of the peeler by the elevator. The peanuts enter the peeling roller in an orderly manner through vibrating blanking. After extrusion of peanuts, kernel and skin have been fully separated. The dust removal mechanism sucks the red coat of peanuts to achieve the purpose of peeling. The slough germs are discharged through the sieving mechanism. Remove some bad peanuts by picking, so as not to affect the flavor of peanut butter. Then, the peeled peanuts are lifted to the hopper of the grinding mill by the lifter. This is the key link of peanut butter production, butter grinding. High-speed rotation of the fixation, fast shear of rotors, grinding peanuts, so that the oil molecules precipitated after roasting jumped up, bringing peanut butter out of the grinder. The peanut butter is delivered to the mixing tank through a fully enclosed pipe. Make the peanut butter more even by stirring. The filling of peanuts requires a suitable temperature. For this reason, the entire production line is equipped with a special butter cooling machine. In different interlayers, through the reverse flow of cooling water and sauce body, through heat exchange, the ideal temperature required for filling can be reached. The peanut butter is delivered to a degassing tank, and the butter is vacuum degassed to inhibit the oxidation of browning, pigments, vitamins, aroma components, and other substances, and prevent the quality of peanut butter from being degraded.